it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. I bring you new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And today I have a Dollar Tree project for you. We're only gonna be using one single item from the Dollar Tree. So for $1, you're gonna be able to create actually many of these really cute farmhouse style home decor little houses. And if you'll stay tuned to the end, I'll show you some different ideas that I have on how you can use them, display them, and utilize them. So let's go ahead and get started. So the great thing about this project is you aren't going to need a whole lot of supplies. The main item from the Dollar Tree are these barbecue skewers, and they come up, I believe, 100 of them for only $1. So such a great bargain, and like I said, you could get several of these houses out of one of these packages. Dollar Tree also carries dowel rods. If you can find those would probably make them a little bit more sturdy, but you aren't going to get as many of the sticks as you would the barbecue skewers. I'll be using these today, so you can see how they turn out this way. And then I have a pair of wire cutters here to snip down our barbecue skewers. You'll need something to measure with. I also have some oil rubbed bronze and some white spray paint. You could also use acrylic paint, you could use chalk paint, use whatever you have on hand. Spray paint will make it go a little bit more quickly. And then I have my hot glue gun and glue sticks. All right, so we're gonna start using the barbecue skewers, our wire cutters, and I have a measuring tape here. And we're gonna just basically build a cube. So the base of the house first, and then we'll work on the roof. All right, so to get started, I'm going to cut 4 of my barbecue skewers down to size. I want this first one to be a larger size, so I think I'm going to make it 8 inches. And I just grabbed a marker here to mark a little spot so I know where to cut these down to. We're actually going to cut 12 of these down to 8 inches long. That's going to make a rectangle on the bottom, a rectangle on the top, and then it's going to have 4 to connect our corners with. So I'll show you that as we go along here. All right, so now that we have our top and bottom squares here, we're gonna connect them together with these corner pieces that we've already cut, just using more hot glue. And here is our cube put together, and now we need to start working on the roof. So I'm gonna use 2 of these sticks to sort of make a triangle. This piece here will be the bottom of the triangle where we're going to attach it. So I'm gonna cut these down to 7.5 inches long. You'll need 2 of these, so 4 skewers total. And then we're also going to need one that's gonna run the length of the square or the cube for the top to attach our roof together. So that one will be another 8-inch long piece, just like the sides. All right, and here's the first one. Now I am going to work on the smaller one. All right, so for the smaller one, I went ahead and cut these down. These are for the bottom cube part. These are 5 inches long. I have 12 of those. These are for the roof triangles, and I have 4 of these. These are 4.5 inches long, and then I have one more 5-inch long piece, which is going to connect our triangles of the roof together. And I'm going to go ahead and glue these together. Alright, so here is the little one finished. I put it next to the taller one so you could see the size difference. So this one that's 8 by 8 is 15 inches tall, and this one that's 5 by 5 is about 9 inches tall. And now I'm going to take them outside and spray paint one the oil rub bronze and one the white. Here is a look at the smaller one, which is super cute outside on our porch. I have it sitting in a metal tray that I already had, and it is filled with some Dollar Tree natural colored rocks. You could even take one of Dollar Tree's signs that sort of look like this, the canvas ones, and flip it upside down, paint it black, and you get the same effect. And here's a look at the larger one. I spray painted this one white just to have a little bit different of a look. I have it displayed here on my coffee bar. So there's a cute little Rae Dunn coffee mug inside with a buffalo check plate and some greenery just to really help tie it into the decor. But this would be really, really cute as a centerpiece on a dining room table, in an entryway, or even on a coffee table. So lots of different ways you could display this and use it in your own home. Thank you all so much again for joining me for this tutorial. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I also have lots more great tutorials for you here on my channel. If you want to follow me over on Facebook and Instagram, I will link those down in the description box below. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.